Today's video, I'll show you how to boost Eternights visuals using reshade settings for sharper edges, cleaner colors, and smoother scenes. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you need to log into the site and it start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and this is the configuration settings. Open up new tab and search reshade and select the reshade site and select the download option and select the download reshade with the full add-on support. Select the downloaded reshades, select OK option. You need to open the Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to game and select manage and select this open install location. Copy this file path and just close stuff here. Select the browse option and paste the path in here and select press enter. Select the game exe file and select open option and select next. DirectX 10, 11, 12. Select it and select next. Select the browse option and go to downloads and open the Sharpen mod we downloaded. Select the configuration settings and select open option and select next. Select skip option. Successfully installed reshade, select the finish and now launch the game. After you are in game, just press the home key and select the continue option, again continue and uncheck this MXAO and go to settings, effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1 and go to home again, select the continue option and select finish and select reload. Now press the toggle key, in my case I set it to 1. Effects are disabled, press 1 to enable them again, press the toggle key and the effects will be toggle. To close this panel, press the home key and I'm going to show you guys before and after. This is after effects and we are just going up before effects. This is before and this is after. Enjoy a sharper, more stylish Ethernight experience without losing performance. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.